Hi everyone, welcome back to another episode. In this video, we will be learning how to sign up to Clubhouse on your Android device. If you want to use Clubhouse and cannot sign up to Clubhouse, then keep watching the video till the end. Don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel by hitting that subscribe button. Also press the notification bell icon so that you don't miss any videos from us. You must check whether your device is connected to the internet or not. If yes, you must download Clubhouse on your device from Play Store. And if you have already downloaded, then you have to open Clubhouse in your Android device. After opening Clubhouse, we will get the option of Welcome In and an arrow over there. Click to Welcome In. After clicking, it will ask you for your number to sign in with. There, you have to provide your phone number which is in the same device. After entering your phone number, press the next button, and after that it will ask you to wait for the call. After the call comes, it will cut automatically and your number will be verified. So if you had entered any other number which is not in the same device you installed the Clubhouse and you are trying to sign in with, then your number wouldn't be verified. That's why I asked you to provide the number which is on the same device. Now after that, it will ask you for your full name. After entering your full name, press the next button and then it will ask you to pick a username. Enter any username you want to. After entering a username, press the next button, and if it says sorry, this username has already been taken, it is already used by another user, so you need to enter something different. To enter something different, you can write any number after your name, and after that press next button. Then it will surely take you to another page. In another page, it will ask you to add a profile photo. If you want to add a profile photo, you must click in the middle of the screen where the icon is shown. After that, it will ask you to take photo or choose from gallery. If you press choose from gallery, it will take you to the gallery, and if you don't want to add right now, you can press the skip button. After pressing skip, Clubhouse will then ask you if it can get access of your contact. If you want to meet people who are in your contact in Clubhouse, then you must allow it, and if you don't wanna, just deny it. After that, it will ask you if you want to follow new friends to have access to their private rooms, and it will select top 3 automatically. If you wanna follow any of them, you can press the plus button, and if you don't want to, you can press the click button and it will deselect, or you can just simply deselect all and then skip this. After that, it will ask you if you are sure to skip this part. If yes, you need to click on the yes. If no, press in the never mind and continue to follow new friends. After pressing next, it will take you to the another page which will ask you for 5 topics you enjoy talking about. There are different options that you can choose. After selecting 5 topics, you will unlock the next button, and if you don't want to, just press the skip button. After that, it will recommend some clubs if you want to join or not. If you want to join any of them, press the plus button, or if you don't want to, just skip it. After that, your account will be created, and now you can interact with new people. That is how you sign up to Clubhouse on your Android device. I hope the tutorial was helpful for you. If so, give us a thumbs up. Comment down below in the comment box if you have any feedbacks or questions. We will be back soon with more tutorial videos. Till then, goodbye.